Transcription quiz number 9. Dear Miss Carter, a charge account with the Jackson Department Store is a valuable asset, period. It helps you to have the things you need when you want them, period. It keeps you from having to carry large amounts of money in your purse or wallet, period. It identifies you as a dependable, responsible person, period. In addition, it tells creditors that you are a good credit risk, paragraph. Take the first step toward greater shopping convenience by applying for a Jackson charge account, period. Just fill out, sign, and return the enclosed card to us in the envelope that is provided, period. Please do it now, period. It will take you only a few minutes, period. Very truly yours,